Okay, so I labeled it scale factor, right, set it up. I did it by hand. Look, if you have a ratio within a ratio, so your denominator, you don't want double fractions. Get rid of it by taking the reciprocal of your denominator. So what's the reciprocal of 2 over 1? 1 over 2. But whatever you do to the bottom, do to the top. So 3 times 2 is 6. 2 rad 15, and then 2 goes into 6 3 times. Or go to the calculator and straight set it up. So 2 rad 15, down 3, down 2. Oh, you can't see. And so if you type it in the calculator, rad 15 over 3. Don't you feel smart? Look at that. You can even, so if you don't want to do it by hand, calculator. So let's do it again. Double fraction. Your numerator is a fraction. Yeah, I was like, wait, I think. Right? So now, rad 15 over 3. So now that is your scale factor. So what's n? Well, what is 1 times rad 15 over 3? Rad 15 over 3. What is m? What is rad 3 times rad 15 over 3? Radical times radical. Radical. Okay, look. 45 over 3, but 45 is 5 times 9. 9 is a perfect square, so it's 3 rad 5 over 3, but this cancels or reduces, so it is rad 5. You're like, what the heck was that nonsense? Or go to a calculator. What is rad 3? Click out times fraction rad 15 down 3 equal rad 5. Oh, can't see. I don't ever look up. Okay. All right, so how'd I do that? What's rad 3 times rad 15 over 3? Remember, rad 3, but rad 15 is 3 times rad 5, right? This is a perfect square. So you can do it beforehand, or you can say rad 3 times rad 15 is rad 45. You have a perfect square in radical 45. It's radical 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So that integer comes out from being a radicand. Or you could do it beforehand. Rad 3 times rad 15 is rad 3 times rad 3 times rad 5. This is written in primes. So then this becomes 3 rad 5. And then, of course, your denominator is 3. And that's how you get your rad 5. If you're a little confused on this, remember, you have not worked with radicals in like 2 to 3 years. So it's okay. By the way, I have a worksheet where we're going to work on reducing radicals. So we're also going to review that. Okay, can I stop recording? But it's going to disappear, but then it'll reappear once it's done loading. What do you need? Oh, you're done? Look at you. Good job, Brayden. All right, let me stop this.